All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing proud to present this 2018 BMW 430C. It is the all-wheel drive called the xDrive with black with this beautiful saddle brown interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Super nice, and best of all, only 700 miles on this car, folks. Let's check out your front bumper. Boom. Which looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty damn good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire right here, which is just over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. And here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. And your tire third back here is over 7/32 as well. Here's a nice shot of your rear seat. Very nice. I don't see any no holes, no tears, no rips. It comes with an armrest, cup holders, rear AC vents. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. It is a powered seat, as you can see, with memory and all that good stuff. Check it out. It is a push start system. All right. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals, still wrapped up in its package. Oh, should I put this? Put it right here in the cup holder. All right. All right, folks. And of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, on this and all that good stuff right here. You get your maps. Boom. You got your backup camera. Boom, right there. Let's see. Got your park. Let's put it in park. Boom. You got your little controls here for your menu and stuff like that. Got your radio. You got your temperature. You got your Connect Drive, my vehicle, no notifications, as you can see here. Got your AC controls right down below. This dual AC controls with heated seats. Boom. All right, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your miles of 741. Pretty much completes the tour. This little button here is what moves your put up the trunk, punch it down here, which is what moves your hard top convertible. All right, here's your rear deck lid, which looks great. All right, here of course is tucked away your convertible settings here. There is really nothing down here to show except for a little bag of tricks. You know, got this stuff in here. I did tuck away your owner's manuals. A little button here that adjusts the height of this deck lid. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. Your tire thread over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. And likewise in your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Last but not least, your front fender here looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread over 7/32. All lights are working. Car is great, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 BMW 430C. It is the xDrive model, beautiful with only 700 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.